All these bitches, respectfully, are buying the fucking Medicube set and nobody's actually talking about the right order to use them, what each product does, and why to use them. So I thought I would tell you. So a couple months ago, I started taking skincare really, really seriously because when I'm older, I want to look like I'm fucking a fetus, okay? I'm going to go through each product really fast. First up, the Zero Pore Cleanser. I use this in the AM and PM. I have eczema, so very sensitive skin, and this is a very sensitive cleanser. After washing my face, I go in with the Zero Pore Pack. This shit went mega viral because apparently Alex Earl's dermatologist told her to use it, and she has like perfect skin now. Little indented side, this is the side you want to use first to exfoliate. So what it does is it clears off all the dead skin cells and it helps brighten the face. So I like to use at night after I cleanse the face. And step number 3, this is a soothing toner. So during the days that I'm really, really red and my skin feels inflamed, like if I have like eczema, I'll put this on and it tones down all of the redness. Then my personal favorite, the night mask. This is what I have on right now. Okay, I have been using this since it went viral like a year ago. Okay, I've gone through so many of these bottles and this is the original packaging. I stocked up on so many of these, but this is one you get with like the set. But this is jam-packed with collagen. And the reason I love this is because I'm a side sleeper and this dries instantly and I can sleep on my side. It leaves my skin like so hydrated and bouncy. But the reason this works is because it's jam-packed with collagen. A fun fact I learned from my dermatologist, you can't eat collagen. The only way to get collagen on your face is I'm actually putting products that have a lot of collagen in it. This I do about 3 times a week, like every other night. And they also give you the gel mask. You get 4, but I've already used 1. These also went viral because they're known as like the Hailey Bieber mask, and Hailey Bieber has really, really amazing skin. This one helps with like the skin elasticity, which we lose as we age. This right here is like the anti-aging fountain of youth. This helps reduce fine line and wrinkles, which I have definitely noticed, especially on this area. Makes my skin really, really hydrated, but not oily. I like to do that one once a day in the morning. Like, see these like wrinkles right here? They used to be a lot deeper and more pronounced, and now you can't even really see them. Then this jelly cream. Okay, so they give you this cute little stick. This is meant to lock in moisture, and it's literally I like to put in the AM and PM, and this is to like kind of lock in moisture. You don't really need a lot, just put a little bit on the end of your stick, and it keeps your skin moisturized and super glowy, and it has hydrolyzed collagen, which helps with the skin elasticity. This shit right here is very powerful. I use it once a week. It's like a $500 facial. This has adenosine and niacinamides, and it helps tighten all the pores. Makes makeup look fantastic on the skin, which is great. No, this is glass skin. Holy moly. So that's what everything does, and that's the order to put it in. I hope this was helpful. For 70 or 80 bucks, whatever it is a very, very good deal, and these are very powerful, very effective products. I have very sensitive skin because of my eczema, so I have to be very careful what I put on, so I've become a little bit of a skincare nerd, so I just wanted to share with you what I've learned and my experience with this set. Okay, love you, bye.